how does one decide whether to choose industry or academia, and what are the skill levels that are generally involved in that?
Mhm. So after I finished my studies, I started in industry, started at Accenture
Mhm.
Technology Solutions, and I absolutely value this time and made a lot of experience, worked in Austria, Germany, also India for a
Hmm.
couple of months. And um, although working not in what I would call cutting edge technology, it was also good time. Um, but what I want to have always is difficult problems where we can still find new solutions.
Hmm.
And yeah, this is what I then had at the university again,
Hmm.
and also at MatTech for optimizing mathematical problems in logistics.
Hmm.
And so this is something that I really need. So for me at the university, you have a lot of freedom
Hmm.
despite lecturing and stuff. At the end, every student and PhD knows that the time that you really can spend on the science
Yeah.
is always less than you would prefer. But at university, you still have a lot of freedom and can do research. On the other side, that this was also very important for me always, that the work should have an impact.
Hmm.
So, for example, ALIS has now a robot that is used in the elderly care facilities that does already manipulation, and being part on the company or projects that really are the first one who bring out the service robot um, in an unstructured environment.
Hmm.
This is kind of impact that is really great to have, and that I really also, so I want that my work has an impact,
Hmm.
and therefore you need you need the industry.
Okay.
So for me, it's always in between. University is sometimes too researchy, and I want more impact. Um, in companies, often the problem is that yeah, if you want to make a product that it's accepted by the customers needs to work. So if you have a grasp success rate of 95%, this is meaning out of 20 tries, the robot would fail to grasp something. If it
Hmm.
should um, empty something or to operate 10 objects, then it fails half of the time for the whole task. And this is something that is not, so you can't put this into project. So what you can put into project is something that is more or less solved, and
Hmm.
then it gets boring. Um,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
yeah, so it's for me, it's always in between where it's the sweet spot
Okay. Okay.
between
Okay.
industry and academia.